Hello, in this video we're gonna check if you can share your progress between two different devices, in this case mobile devices, in Diablo Immortal. So first let's check Android. I'm gonna open the game. And we'll need to log in. And keep in mind that we're playing on one server, so it's Cathedral of Light. Let's tap to play. So here's my character. You can check his name. And now let's turn off game on this Android and move to the iPhone. Skip for now. So I'm logged in on the same account. Now I will want to change the server. Cathedral of Light. Now let's open the game. Here's my same character, so that means we can share progress between two different platforms. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.